guys, so I've just woke up, well not really woke up, but I've just came back home to find myself with the Asterion Aura Stand. So Asterion have been nice enough to send me their Aura Stand, so they have sent it along with Asterion Oculus Quest grips. But now we'll move on to the Asterion Aura Stand and I'll do a quick review of them later. But yeah, let's unbox this thing. There we are. Alright, so it says explore your function, uncover your aura. So, if we open this. So first you get the charging cable there. Here is the Asterion Aura Stand. As well as the reader's manual, but no one wants to know about that. Alright, so there's the stand itself, and then we have the platform that it sits on. Let me move this over here. Alright. Okay, so plain black stand, power button and also brightness that you can change. And I believe there's a wrapping on this to protect it in shipping, but we'll take that off later. But for now, let's just slot it in.
It's alright, you can edit all this out some, can't you? Don't panic.
Brilliant.
Goes like that. I'm weak. So I've got it slammed in. I think there's a protective covering on it, but we'll take that off after I've made a video. But yeah, so if we plug this into a power source, got the port so you can charge your DualShock 4 controller or your Move controllers, and also it needs a cable to light up, so we'll do that off camera now. Alright guys, so once you've received your Asterion Aura Stand, link in the description, there is a cover to protect it from shipping, so you'll find that just around here. So I'm just taking that off right now. Just since I've done a tech review, but as you can see, the unboxing of the Asterion Aura is pretty cool. So we've got the Asterion Aura box right here. So once you've unboxed it, it should look something like that right there. And right, yeah, I've got it right next to my fan right there on my shelf. I've just installed, so me and my dad just installed them, and there's some pretty cool tech up there now. But yeah, so that is the Asterion Aura Stand right there. We're going to go over the design, the ports and stuff that it has in it, and also like the sturdiness and how it feels. Already, I can tell you I'm really enjoying this stand, but if you're enjoying the video, make sure to smash that like button, comment down below thoughts and suggestions so far, and also make sure to subscribe. But I'm not going to keep you guys hanging on any longer, so I'm just going to give my thoughts and opinions of the Asterion. Also, I do have to say big thanks to Asterion for sending me the Aura Stand. And they also sent me the Asterion Evolution grips, which I'm really hyped to test out. But I can't test them out right now, just because my friend is the only one who has an Oculus Quest, so I can't really be testing them out just yet. But once the isolation thing's over, I'll give him a call and then we can test out the Asterion Evolution grips. But yeah, so let me give my thoughts about the Asterion Aura. Alright guys, so if you didn't know, Asterion is a company who makes virtual reality things, like all virtual reality things. They make the Asterion Aura Stand, which is their second stand that they've made after the Asterion Arc Stand, and they also make Evolution, which I with me. So yeah, they make a load of great virtual reality things, so if you're looking for any virtual reality stuff, go check them out. I'll link in the description where you can go check them out. But yeah, I'm going to give my thoughts on the Asterion Aura today because that's the main thing that they sent me to review. So this isn't sponsored, I'm giving my honest thoughts about it, and yeah. So, when it comes to design, the Asterion Aura, as you can see back there, the stand itself is made out of hard acrylic, and it keeps the, it comes with a wrap that you saw me take off in the unboxing. But yeah, make sure to take that off, otherwise the colours won't shine as much, and it makes it look way better once the wrap's off. I was trying to find it, but usually it should just, it's on both sides, the top and bottom side of the Asterion. But yeah, design, it's really nice. It just uses gravity to balance it. It's made out of hard acrylic, so it feels quite nice instead of just like regular plastic. And it allows the light to shine through quite well. People also say it corrupts the lenses because of sunlight, but that doesn't happen because it's not sunlight, it's just, so it won't hurt your lenses. And if you're paranoid about that, you can get a lens cover or something from AMVR, which I'll leave a link in the description for. You shouldn't corrupt your lenses. The LED, not sunlight, so you should be good. But yeah, also we can see back there it turns different colours. Got it on the different colour settings. You can also change it red, blue, green, purple and other colours. Post some of the colours up on your screen right now. Alright guys, so now let's talk about the sturdiness of the stand. So because it's made out of hard acrylic, it's quite a sturdy stand. It's not going to fall anytime soon if you're using any virtual reality headset because it hooks around the headset. So the face cover always hooks around the side of the stand itself, so then basically it's pretty sturdy. I don't think any like cats or dogs or anything should be able to get it off. So it's pretty good for that. So sturdiness, I'd give it a tick. Design, I think it's really nice. But yeah, overall, I just really like this stand. Yeah, I'd highly recommend it. It's $30 on Amazon. Unfortunately, you can't get it in the UK right now, but I've been working with Asterion and they say that they are going to be possibly incorporating that into the UK and also other countries. But I think the UK is their next location that they're thinking of starting a chain of Asterion. It should be really cool because a lot of my friends have been wondering where they can get that Asterion Aura Stand and they can't right now. Yeah, Asterion should have more wider availability later on this year, so hopefully that'll come. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the Asterion Aura Stand in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and yeah, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already for weekly, sometimes even in the quarantine days, like twice or even 3 times a week sometimes. But yeah, enjoy the rest of your quarantine content. Make sure to stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.